Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts grow. First, combine warm milk, sugar, and yeast. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. This activates the yeast, which will produce carbon dioxide gas. Next, mix in your dry ingredients and knead the dough thoroughly. This develops the gluten, creating a strong structure to hold the gas. You're building the foundation for fluffy donuts. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel. Find a warm, draft-free spot, ideally around 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the dough rise until it has doubled in size, which usually takes about 1 to 1.5 hours. This first rise is essential for flavor and texture. Once your dough has doubled, gently punch it down to release the trapped gases. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and roll it to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to shape your donuts. Place these cut donuts on squares of parchment paper. This makes them easier to handle later, preventing sticking. Now let your shaped donuts proof for a second time. Cover them loosely and let them rise in a warm spot for about 30 to 45 minutes until they look visibly puffy. This final rise is called proofing. When ready, carefully lower them into hot oil, heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are a beautiful golden brown. Enjoy your perfectly grown donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.